I've been testing out a bunch of backyard cooking gear lately, and let's just say things got seriously fun. I found a smart meat probe that basically does all the thinking for you, a grill bot that cleans up while you chill, and even a pizza oven that turns out perfect pies in 60 seconds. Let's check it out. Number 1. Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. If you've ever hovered nervously over a steak like it's a science experiment, the Meter Plus is here to chill you out. This wireless meat probe tracks both the inside of your meat and the temp of your grill, all from your phone. The app literally walks you through the cook, no guesswork, just perfectly done results. The bamboo case even doubles as a charger and range extender, which is just cool. Toss it in the dishwasher after and you're golden. Honestly, it's like having a tiny sous chef that lives inside your pork chops. Number 2. BBQ Dragon Grill Fan. This one's for the impatient grillers. Yeah, I see you. The BBQ Dragon is basically a turbocharger for your charcoal. It clips onto your grill, blasts a steady stream of low-velocity air, and gets your coals raging in under 10 minutes. No more fanning like you're starting a campfire from the Stone Age. The gooseneck design is super flexible, and the whole thing's built solid, stainless steel and all. Whether you're firing up for burgers or just flexing backyard skills, this thing makes starting a fire feel kind of fun. Dragon mode activated. Number 3. GrillBot Automatic Grill Cleaner. This little guy is basically a Roomba for your grill. After the cooking's done, just set the GrillBot loose and let it scrub away the carnage. It's got 3 spinning brushes, a rechargeable battery, and cycles you can set for 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Just press and forget. It won't handle a crusty grill of doom, but for regular cleanup, super handy. Brushes pop off for the dishwasher too. It's kind of satisfying watching it scoot around like a barbecue cleaning droid. Not gonna lie, it's weirdly fun to show off. Number 4. ThermoPro Wireless Meat Thermometers. Whether you're a weekend griller or a full-on barbecue scientist, ThermoPro's lineup has something for you. You've got options. Basic models with zero app fuss, Bluetooth ones with solid range, and even a beast with Wi-Fi, app guidance, and probes that can handle over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Most are dual sensor, super accurate, and come with thoughtful features like USDA presets and long battery life. Yeah, some of the Bluetooth models can get moody on the connection, but the value here is wild. Pick your level of nerdiness, and ThermoPro's got your back. Number 5. Weber iGrill Mini. The Weber iGrill Mini is perfect if you want a smart thermometer without going full mad scientist. It clips magnetically to your grill, pairs with your phone, and gives you a clean LED color signal as your food cooks. The app is pretty straightforward with timers, presets, and alerts. That said, Bluetooth range can be hit or miss, and the battery drains faster than I'd like, but for quick backyard sessions or weeknight steaks, it gets the job done without making it a tech project. Kinda like training wheels for the smart grilling world. Number 6. Yeti Rambler Coaster. If you've ever watched your drink go from ice cold to sad and sweaty in 10 minutes flat, the Yeti Coaster is the fix. This thing locks in your can like it's a vault. Double wall insulated screw-on gasket, no sweat, no slip. Whether it's a soda, a beer, or one of those fancy sparkling waters, it stays cold forever. Okay, maybe not forever, but definitely way longer than your average koozie. It's built like a tank, fits in cup holders, and takes a beating like a champ. Yeah, it's a bit bulky, but so is greatness. Number 7. FireSense Notebook Grill. This one had me doing a double take. It folds completely flat, like a laptop. The FireSense Notebook Grill is perfect for camping, tailgating, or just grilling on the go. Super quick to set up, lightweight at around 8 pounds, and gives you plenty of cooking space. The airflow's not adjustable and cleanup can get a little messy, but the portability trade-off is worth it. It's budget-friendly and actually works. Just don't expect smoker-level performance. Think more hot dogs at the beach vibes. Still, for what it is, totally awesome. Number 8. Camp Chef Smoke Pro DLX. If you're serious about smoking meat, but don't want a learning curve the size of Texas, the Smoke Pro DLX is a sweet middle ground. It's a wood pellet grill with a solid temp control, tons of space, and just the right balance between manual feel and digital control. You can fine-tune the smoke level, get it searing hot, and even clean out the ash with a pull of a lever. The PID controller holds temps crazy steady. Great for brisket, ribs, and maybe a pizza or two. Add the sidekick and this thing's a full-blown barbecue command center. Number 9. Charbroil Performance Gas Grill. You want firepower? This grill's packing serious heat. The Charbroil Performance line gives you a wide cooking area, multiple burner, a side burner for sauces or searing, and enough BTUs to make your eyebrows singe. The porcelain-coated grates are easy to clean, and the heat distribution is surprisingly even. Setup's not hard, and the warranty coverage is solid. There are minor hotspots in the build's not luxury tier, but for the price, it punches way above. If you've got a big cookout planned and don't want to overthink it, this grill just makes things easy. Number 10. Govee Bluetooth Barbecue Thermometer. This one's kind of a hidden gem. The Govee barbecue thermometer doesn't cost much, but it's packing solid features. Multiple probe support, strong app alerts, and a magnetic back so it sticks where you need it. It's accurate, updates every couple seconds, and works well with steak, brisket, you name it. The Bluetooth range isn't legendary, and it's not super fancy, but for under $40, it gets you into smart grilling without any drama. If you're on a budget or just getting into it, this is a great place to start. Number 11. Sear Pro Torch. If you've ever sous vide a steak and then wrecked it in a pan, the Sear Pro Torch is your new best friend. This thing is no joke. It attaches to a propane tank and shoots out a flame that hits over 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. It sears meat like it owes you money. Also great for caramelizing, lighting charcoal, or showing off at your next cookout. The flame is wide and powerful, and you can dial in the intensity. Some units have mixed durability reports, but when it works, it's an absolute beast. Just maybe don't wave it near to your eyebrows. Number 12. Luftleiter X. No matches, no lighter fluid, no drama. The Luftleiter X is the sleek fire-starting gadget you didn't know you needed. It's cordless, runs on battery, and shoots out 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit air to light charcoal or wood in like 60 seconds. It's clean, super fast, and great for grills, pizza ovens, or fireplaces. One full charge gives you about 10 starts, which is pretty solid. Just keep pointing it at your fuel, no walk-away mode here. It's a little sci-fi, a little camping dad, and a lot of fun to use. Firepower, literally in your hands. Number 13. Ooni Pizza Oven. I don't care who you are, making a legit pizza in 60 seconds flat is just cool. The Ooni line of outdoor ovens is seriously next level. Whether you go wood-fired or gas, these things crank up to 900 degrees plus and cook pies with perfect leopard spots. Models like the Coda 16 or Karu 12 are compact, easy to use, and built tough. Plus, they're versatile. You can roast meats, bake bread, even sear steaks. Yeah, there's a learning curve, and the price isn't exactly entry-level, but once you get it dialed in, chef's kiss. Okay, that was a wild ride through Grill Geek Heaven. If you found a new favorite, or just added 3 to your wish list, hit that like button, drop a comment with your go-to gadget, and subscribe for more tasty tools and tech. I'll catch you next Cookout.